This is where filtration takes place. If you are in grade 9 or 10, this video is for you. You have a lot to learn, so stay tuned and watch till the end. Today I'm going to show you a picture of your kidneys, okay? These two things you see here, they are the kidneys, right? Now on top of the kidney, right above it, you have the adrenal glands, alright? Now if you look at this kidney, it is inside these kidneys that blood is filtered, okay? When blood is filtered, it passes through these two tubes, these long tubes. They are called the ureters. So they passes through this place down to the bladder. This round one here is called the bladder. And right under the bladder, you have the sphincter muscle before you have the urethra, where the urine comes out. So now let me show you a cross section of this kidney, okay, an enlarged version of it. Here you have the enlarged version of the kidney, right? If you look at this part, you see this blue and red, right? Here in the red is the renal artery where blood enters from the heart, okay? Unfiltered blood that is not clean, enters from the heart through this renal artery and goes to the kidney. So once it comes to the kidney, it goes straight to the outer layer. This is where filtration takes place. And this outer part of the kidney is called the cortex, the renal cortex, okay? And the inner part is called the medulla, the renal medulla, right? So blood is filtered. Everything that has to do with filtration or purification is done right at the cortex, because in the cortex you have what is called the nephrons, tiny vessels that helps to purify the blood. So once the blood is purified, the pyramids are attached to the medulla, okay? So the pyramids separates the blood from the urine. And you see this yellow part? This is called the pelvis. It takes the urine from the pyramid and take it down to the ureters, this long tube that I showed you earlier on. Then the clean blood passes through the blue part, which is the renal vein, and goes back to the heart. Do you understand? Let me make a quick recap, okay? Blood comes in through the renal artery and gets purified in the renal cortex, which is by the nephrons. After purification, the blood goes back through the renal vein, and the urine are collected with the help of the pyramids attached to the medulla, then comes out through the pelvis and go down to the ureters and stored in the bladder. When the bladder is full, it sends a signal to your brain to release some urine. Okay, once that is done, the sphincter muscle open up and allow urine to go down to the urethra, and then you release the waste, which is called the urine. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want me to bring more of this kind of video, kindly follow this page for more and leave a comment below. See you in my next video.